If you are tired of seeing server error every time you try to open Unlinked on your Firestick, you are not alone. It is frustrating when your favorite way to customize your device suddenly stops working and leaves you stuck with the standard boring apps. Today, we are ending that frustration and making sure you never lose access to your favorite tools again. Welcome back to Smart Life. I am here to help you navigate the changing world of streaming so you can save money and keep your setup running smoothly. Unlinked might be down, but the alternatives in 2026 are actually faster and easier to use. All apps, downloader code, and links are mentioned in the description. The first heavy hitter on our list is AppLinked. This is the most direct replacement available right now. It uses the same store code system you are already used to. You simply enter a code, and it opens up a massive library of apps. It is incredibly fast and has been very stable lately. If you want to keep things simple and familiar, this is your best bet. Next up is the Downloader app, but with a twist. Many people only use it to type in long web addresses, but the real power is in the shortcodes. By entering a 5-digit code like 250931, you can access the famous TROYPOINT Toolbox. This gives you a one-click shop for every essential utility and media player you could ever need. It is a massive time saver and completely free. Third on the list is APKTime. This one is a bit different because you do not need any codes at all. Everything is organized into clear categories like sports, movies, and top apps. It is managed by a dedicated community, so the links are almost always working. It is perfect if you just want to browse and see what is new without hunting for codes online. Our fourth pick is Aptoide TV. This feels more like a professional app store. It is great because it actually tells you when your apps need an update. Keeping your apps updated is the best way to avoid crashes and security risks. It is a must-have for anyone who wants a set-it-and-forget-it experience. Finally, we have Firestick. This is another code-based store that has gained a lot of popularity for its high-speed downloads. It is a great backup to have if other servers are feeling slow. For a quick bonus tip, always remember to clear the cache of these app stores once a week. These apps can build up a lot of temporary data that slows down your Firestick. A quick clean in your settings will keep your device feeling brand new. If this guide saved you a headache today, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe to Smart Life for more ways to master your tech and save money. Let me know in the comments which app store you are using now. Thanks for watching.